Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange Head Teacher final CCCU assembly of the academic year 2020-2021. So let's make this assembly count. So year 5 and 6, you know you're at Grange, and we know that our character is our strength. So the Grange CC way, especially year 6s, this is something you can take with you for life. Year 5, you're going to be year 6 next year. What is it, the CC way? We have a great caring attitude. We do care. We always try our best. When we make mistakes, which is inevitable, it happens to everybody. It doesn't always feel nice to make a mistake, but we learn from our mistakes. And because we learn from our mistakes, we improve, we make progress. And that's what we are going for, to improve, to make progress. We use everything we learn to help us to make great choices, and we never give up. That's our CC way. That's CC learning. We are CC learners. We know that physical strength is really important, to be healthy, eat well, sleep enough, exercise. That's really important. But our true strength comes from deep inside us. Our strength of character, our character strength. When we are our best. And when we draw on that strength deep inside us, that character strength, we can solve any problem that life throws at us. And that's why at Grange, we say character strength, that's the one that counts. And the way that we look at it is we say all of us need confidence. That's for myself. I need to love myself, care about myself, put myself first, really, really want the best for myself and seek to live my best life possible. And I balance that equally with consideration for the world around me and for everybody around me. If I get that balance right of really caring about myself and really caring about the world, that confidence and consideration, then the whole world will be a better place and everything will be better. Here are some Grange pupils of power who give us hope, which is one of the character strengths. The whole year 6 team, the staff team, and the pupils, you've been amazing. Everything could have fallen apart. We were going to have our graduation last Friday. It was so disappointing to not be able to do it, but look at you. You've worked together over the weekend, thinking, just handled your disappointment, which is a great strength for life, to be able to handle disappointment and then think, what are we going to do about it to make this better? And you've come together, and we have a date for our graduation. Now, we're going to come back when school is closed, everybody's closed, but we will open Grange for our year 6 children for one last time this academic year, even though the academic year is finishing into the holidays. Another pupil of power is Abdullah D. Abdullah D, I know these holidays you'll be going back to where your home, the West Bank. We'll miss you terribly. You've been an amazing pupil at Grange, and always, whenever I asked you, you were an ambassador. You did YouTube videos, you did podcasts, anything that I asked for your school, you were there to say our school is a great school and to say that to the public, even a TV interview. Well done, Abdullah D. I want to say pupils of power that give us hope, all the pupils of Grange who joined us in this year, and there's some of you even in year 6 who joined us in pretty much the summer term, I think it is. So well done to everybody who was a new pupil at Grange and just settled down and became part of this incredible school. And Grange pupils of power, it's every single one of you. The magnificent pupils of Grange, that's you. You give us hope for the future. Well done. You are pupils of power, children of Grange. Right, our character strength focus. I want to leave you with this. For the holidays, your superpower, it's with you. It's your CC way. It's your balance of confidence and consideration. You live with that in your mind, caring for yourself and caring for the world around you. That is it. It is brilliant, because then you can embrace any challenge. I know we call it CC walking in school, but the truth is it's CC living. And CC living is, okay, challenge comes towards me. I know what I need to do. I need to face this challenge with confidence and consideration. When you are learning something, when you need to be present, you do star sitting. It means you really are there. You sit up straight. You track the focus, the speaker. You really concentrate on the particular issue. You ask and you respond with power, like a learner. like a scholar. And then you respect all those around you so that they too can learn and so that you can learn. So you don't distract others and others don't distract you. You're opening up learning pathways for life. And the thing I want to leave you with now in this assembly is there is no substitute for you. Nobody else can be as good as you at being you. You are the one who needs to be the best at being you. Don't be sidetracked by anybody else. There's no substitute for you. That's your job. That's why confidence and balance with consideration. 4 zones, wisdoms for the holidays. We started talking about the zones of regulations. Right. The zones, that is humanity and social intelligence, because we don't live by ourselves. There are people around us, and that means the way we behave has impact on others. The way others behave has impact on us. But for the moment, think about yourself and how you behave and how that will have impact on others. So if you're in the blue zone, you're a little bit low on energy, you're a little bit tired, you're a little bit grumpy, you're a little bit moody, you're a little bit down. If you're in the blue zone, wisdom for the holiday, exercise. Get outside and do some exercise. If you're in the green zone, right, you are totally focused. You are concentrating, you are awake, you are ready. Do some reading or do some writing in the holidays. By writing, I mean creative writing. By reading, just read. Open your mind. So if you're in the green zone, optimal, fantastic. Enjoy, read and write. If you're in the yellow zone, feeling a bit wobbly, feeling a little bit anxious, feeling a little bit edgy, breathe. And my favorite one, I'll just tell you now, it's lazy 8 breathing. So imagine you put an 8 on its side, like the infinity sign, and just with your fingers, just trace the 8. And every time you come to the epicenter and you cross over that epicenter, just change the way you're breathing. So if you're breathing in, and you come to where it crosses over that 8 on its side, start breathing out. Back to the center, breathe in. Back to the center, breathe out. And if you're in the red zone, you melt down, you can't deal with it, you're losing it. Stop yourself, think, what are my options, and go. One of the best options, I'm losing it, I just need to be in a quiet space away from everybody. Or I need to say to people, please, can I have some space? Or you just turn away where other people aren't. Or go to the bathroom, splash your face, just so you can calm down. So if red, stop, find an option that's safe, and go. Those are 4 zones of wisdom for the holiday. And just remember these amazing character strengths of kindness, gratitude, forgiveness, perspective, social intelligence, love. Use them and get ready to hear more about the zones next year. Year 6, you come and visit, keep in touch. If we do assemblies online, follow them. But for year 5, you're going to be in year 6 next year. Get ready to hear more about the zones. So, gold stars of the week go to Bashir in Parks class. Well done. So proud of you. Annual class top 5 champions. I went right through the whole year class charts from the 1st of September 2020 right up to the weekend, this last weekend. So the whole year, who were the top 5 with class charts, CC champions in each class. And in Gandhi, Evelina, Dua, Lena, Nora, and Rochelle, well done. And in Churchill, Haida, Alicia, Shiley, Maruna, and Yamindi, well done. And in Luther King, Race, Anushanth, Anastasia, Vinaya, and Blenart, proud of you. And in year 5, Cosmina in Tubman, Michelle, Bavita, Divian, and Princess, the top 5 of the whole year in Tubman. And Murthagan Mandela, Blessing, Shana, Abdullah A, and Krasian, the top 5 from the whole year in Mandela. Habiz in Parks, Tebarek in Parks, Aliyah Q in Parks, Bianca, and Jalsa, proud of you, because that's not just for 1 week, that's of the whole year. Absolutely brilliant. 1,000 point CC club, so obviously the top 5s, you got it. But here are the people in the 1,000 plus points in the CC club. Look at you, Jody, Mario, Lala, Eric, Wissam, Isaac, Madi, Sana S, Elfie, Faris, Raisa, Ikram, Adam, Aryan, Patrick, Ali R, Parisa, Kiana, Sarwar, Jackie, Masood, Grace, Diana, Zara Q, Anna Lion, Danusha Farhad, Shravan, Farel, Zohaib, Ilya, Aliyah Q, Agash, Nicoletta, Amira, Dora, Devesh, Ayub, Bashir, Mariama, Stefania, Aitan, Jabril, Ajay, Wasim, Ayana, Ansar, Ibra, Martina, Mohammed S, Jaden, Medina, Amos, Sana H, Abdullah D, Max, Imran, Asia, Amrit, Mustafa O, Ayat, Zara, and Dikshan. You are all part of the 1,000 CC points. And now to the houses. I saw when I was going through it a strength in each house. Grange House of Water, your power this year of 2020-21 was teamwork, and we saw it at Sports Day. Fantastic work, encouraging each other. Grange House of Fire, you were the leaders of the school leadership, the way you gave CC salutes and modeled to everybody how we should behave the CC way. Grange House of Air, your honesty was incredible. You were yourselves. You were true to yourselves, and you lived your lives with confidence, and I could see that from your class charts points. Not afraid to be honest and to be yourselves and to be responsible and to make progress. Grange House of Earth, you were the bravery people. And I saw that you were so keen to have a go and to just say, I'm not afraid to embrace the challenge. I am brave. So the Grange community, pupils, staff, parents, carers, and governors, how did we do this year at Grange Primary School? Look at that. We got 500,000+ class charts points. That's the House of Water, the House of Fire, the House of Earth, the House of Air. We worked together. We smashed it over 500,000 class charts points. 543,327 class charts points. Absolutely brilliant. So who were the classy classes of 2021? And now this is classy classes from 1st of September 2020 right through to this past weekend. Mandela class, look at you, 27,584 points. Churchill class, you were brilliant with 34,221 points. But the classy class of 2020-2021, Tubman class, tremendous Tubman class. Look at you, fantastic work. So we set ourselves an ambitious half-term target this last half-term of 100,000 points. Well, we absolutely smashed it. We're on about 125,000 points, which was amazing. So we are powerful, we are kind, we are loved, we are Grange, and we are going to make it. We've had Freddie, we've had the reindeer, we've had the pot plants, we've had the handprints, we've had the messages of hope. We smashed it last day. I'm bringing my tracksuit and trainers, and we're just going to have ourselves a tournament, and we'll just have to organize it. So we cannot leave this year without saying thank you to, this is the character strength of gratitude, the parents and carers of Grange, aka also known as the coaches and mentors of our children. You have been absolutely brilliant parents and carers of Grange. Thank you to you for this amazing year. The children of Grange, aka also known as the future, you have been unbelievable. It doesn't matter what anybody else says. You have been resilient. You have been powerful. You are the bounce back kids. And you bring us a brighter future. And we have to say a thank you to the Grange staff, the adults of Grange, also known as the difference makers. You have been absolutely magnificent. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Grange staff. And all of us in the Grange community, we need to say, there's a swivel. Thank you to Grange Primary Harrow, also known as the greatest school in the galaxy. We love our school. We're grateful for our school. Thank you to Grange Primary Harrow for being the school that you are. So one final CC salute of the year. Confidence, there's your heart. There's living your best life. And consideration, there's our beautiful planet. We look after all the people in it and the world that we have our blessing. So let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the holiday ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.